Hello everyone, and welcome back to our tech tutorial channel. Today we're going to help you boost your productivity by showing you how to add a table of contents in Google Docs. Ready to become a Docs Pro? Let's get started. Today we are starting from scratch. So we'll begin by opening up the browser. Go ahead and type in doc.new into the address bar at the top of your screen and hit Enter. Here you have it, a bright new blank Google Doc ready for your expertise. Now let's lay the ground for our document by typing the title of the page, then hit Enter. Next, we continue on to Chapter 1. Hit Enter one more time. Following, we move on to the first subchapter, labeled Subchapter 1. Always remember, good organization is the key to a well-structured and reader-friendly document. Now we want to separate these elements onto different pages. To do so, click right after the word title of the page. Now you'd want to explore the top menu. Look for the Insert tab and click it. In the drop-down list, find and hover over Break. A new menu pops up on the side. Click Page Break. Just like magic, your text is now organized onto separate pages. Now, begin with our chapter title, Chapter 1. Highlight this title and head to the menus at the top. Here, you should find the option that says Normal Text. Click on it and locate the label that reads Heading 1. Click on it, and then choose Apply Heading 1. This step is essential as it defines the hierarchy of our headings and helps Google Docs to recognize it as a significant section, perfect for our table of contents. Moving forward, let's take our subchapter title, imaginatively titled Subchapter 1. Repeat the process, but this time select Heading 2 from the drop-down menu, and then the Apply Heading 2. This allows Google Docs to recognize it as a subsection under the main heading. This step will add visual coherence to our document, as well as organize it more efficiently. Next up, we aim to create a separate page just for our table of contents. Scroll up to the last word of the title of the page. Click it, then navigate to the Insert menu. Here, you'll find an option for Break. Click it, and then from the options, click on Page Break. Just like that, we have a blank page where we can add our table of contents. Now, pay close attention as this is where the magic happens. Go to the Insert menu and look for Table of Contents. Here, you have several formatting options. For this tutorial, let's choose the first option, Plain Text. Click it to insert it into the page. Voila! Your table of contents is now beautifully laid out on its separate page. Easy, right? Now let's create another chapter to demonstrate how the table of contents updates. On the screen, we're scrolling down to Chapter 1 and Subchapter 1, highlighting and copying them. Next step, we're going to create a new page for Chapter 2. Just follow the same steps as before. Go to Insert, find Break and select Page Break. This gives your chapter a fresh start. Now it's time to paste the text we copied earlier. Press Ctrl+V on your keyboard and voila, your new chapter is ready. Be sure to replace 1 with 2 to reflect the change. Time to revisit the table of contents. Did you notice that the addition isn't reflected yet? Not to worry. Simply click on the table of contents and look for the Reload logo on its left. It reassures you with Update Table of Contents. Click that, and voila, your table of contents is updated. Notice how it appropriately reflects the pages for your new chapters. And that's how you add and update your table of contents in Google Docs. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching.